Periodic table.
To see, predict the state and the color of astatine at room temperature and pressure. Now, what you need to understand here is as we move down, the melting point increases. So as long as room temperature and pressure is below the melting point, most certainly the element will be in solid state at RTP, right? So if you take a look at astatine, our predicted melting point is 220. What if it's not? Doesn't care. We don't care because iodine, it already has a melting point higher than room temperature. So most certainly astatine will be a solid state element at room temperature and pressure. Now there's one other thing that I hope you can remember about group 7, which is basically that as you descend down group 7, the color of the element and the color of its compounds will intensify. Intensify means what? It means that it gets darker. So as you can see, fluorine is a colorless gas, chlorine is a green-yellow gas, bromine is a red-brown gas, oh, much deeper. And then iodine is a deep purple crystal. So how much darker can your color be than deep purple? The only answer that's available to us is black. And black is a very safe color for you to use if your trend is to intensify the color, get it to become darker. So that is the answer for our next bit. State is most certainly solid state. Color, I think black is a very safe choice. Now predict the molecular formula for astatine. Anytime they ask you to predict something, especially formulas of some unknown element in the periodic table and it belongs to a certain group, what do? Always take your cue from the other elements under the same group. So what is the molecular formula for chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine? They have always been presented as diatomic molecules. That means, let me just show you. Fluorine is this, then you have chlorine, then you have bromine, and you have iodine. Now people, astatine naturally, therefore needs to be 82. Just follow the trend. Never try to do the bonding on your own. Always take the trend from all the others earlier in the group. There is no reason why all the others are diatomic molecules and then astatine turns out different. It will not happen that way. So this is what you have to do. So what is the answer? The answer is, of course, 82. All right? And if you like my answers and my lessons, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes.